let go to grow. Let go to grow. What it means is delegate the control, delegate the decision power. That thing must be required. Sir, I want to hold everything compulsory. I will hold everything on my own. Just create the steps. Every decision I have to make. So everything should be happen in front of me. Only like if you want to hold the control, then your growth is going to be stopped like anything. Okay, control is not the power. System is the power. Process is the power. Team is the power. Right? Who's is the power? Okay, not controlling, holding control is the power. Like don't fail. Most of the people in IT, so especially I saw multiple people. The key knowledge, the people are going to hold. The key knowledge, the people are going to hold. They don't want to delegate the things for the team. They don't want. Array, if any problem is coming, I am here. You can ask me. I will solve. Sir, in what way you are solving? Can you please tell? No. That thing later I will tell. They never going to share. What will happen is they are always the protecting mindset. They are always there only forever. They never going to think about next level, next opportunities, next knowledge. They never going to do that. This is the bigger problem. You require to release control. You require to delegate the control. You require to delegate decision power. Then only you are going to grow. Okay, I want to hold everything. I should be the key person. I'm the important person. Like all these things are nonsense. That is the narrow mindset. Remember that.